It's you. That's her. That's her.
Thank you.
It's her.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base. There they are! Fire!
Distant path to flawless. Take the rest down. Hurry! Hurry! No! I said down!
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
Remember what your old pal said. You got a friend in me.
Hello, are you alive? Alive. Is he alive?
I think it's Woody.
Woody! What did I get? Yo! Yes! I won! Let's go! I was the best in vehicle!
Make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend that day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect day. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong.
Hiya, folks.
Hello there.
How you doing? Sure you can go care of our friend.
What could possibly go wrong?
1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Let's conga!
How did they build that?
Big Cat on a mission here. It's showtime. All right, now move aside. That's enough. Let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet! Thank you. Maestro, if you please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Hey, Popo, what are you doing over there? My little legs can't make it down off this float.
So what do you say? Who won?
I think it's pretty clear the giraffes and the elephants won.
Hold on there a minute. Yeah, it's pretty clear, all right. Pretty clear.
My darling, don't feel my